High Point Public Library's Reader Services presents Hoopla, an advanced search. You've chosen Flexbooks, but they're on hold, and all those most popular titles are checked out. Go beyond those titles and find the full Flex catalog. Flex has more than you might have seen. An advanced search can show you all those books. You can find it just above or below the search box. To see the full Flex catalog, find the Borrow type, then choose Flex Borrow and click Search. Now you can see all the titles in Flex and choose one to get right now. Then kick back and enjoy the wait. All just by using your High Point Public Library card. For more information, call Reader Services at this number or follow the links in the description below.